First of all, I'd like to say I'm reviewing the AEG Ultra One Red Hoover cylinder vacuum cleaner. When it arrived, it was very easy to assemble. Here you've got the filter, so you pop that one so that it's easy to take out and give a clean. On here I like this setting. You've got minimum, which is nice and light, so I've been given the curtains a good hoover. Sofa setting, which is a little bit of a stronger suction. Rug setting, the heavier rug setting, and then hard flooring setting. I find the suction quite hard on the hard flooring one, so when I'm just hoovering the carpets I usually use that setting. Turn it round, pop this one up. In here you've got the soft nozzle. It's good for doing banisters and curtains and down inside the sofa and around the skirting boards. That's nice there. Opening this one, nice and easy. You've got a nice large hoover bag. I've used the hoover several times and it's still empty. Another feature that I like is the lead is extra long, a lot longer than the standard hoovers. I live in a 4-storey property and it stretches up to the 2nd floor. So now I'm just going to give you a little demonstration of how silent it is. Can you hear that, or can you not hear it? Either so, it is so silent. I can even hoover when the children are in bed.